Good morning, everybody. Good morning. How are you? It is Monday, 2 days before Christmas, a day before Christmas Eve, and I am off for 3 days. I'm so happy. I'm about to make some hot chocolate, y'all. My hot chocolate station. Oh my God. Listen. I'm about to do the nutcracker today, okay? Let's do the nutcracker. Milk, chocolate, melts. Hey y'all, we are out trying to take care of these Christmas deliveries to my sisters. And so yeah, it's snowing a little. It's a little slippery. But we're gonna make this trek tonight. So I won't have to do anything tomorrow. I can just relax and chill. One of my sisters is in the hospital. The oldest one, something that's living. So, yeah. So, yeah, me and my husband, he's riding with me. He just got off work a little while ago. Hey, y'all. So, we are back at home. Back at home from dropping off Christmas gifts. So, let me show y'all what my sisters gave me. So, I got 3 of these. I need to wash them. Oh, I love them. Oh, this gonna be my cookie jar. Another snack jar and snack. And then she gave me these. My other sister gave me these 2. These 2 for my drinks tonight. And these 2. I love these. Like, look at them. They so cute. I'm gonna wash everything out. And she gave me 2 hats. Brand new hats. I love them. And she gave me that. And a bottle of wine. Look at the wine. Sutter Home, Fruit Infusion. What is that? Blueberry watermelon. Girl, that's going to be my drink for tonight. You know? So, yeah, this is all the stuff she gave me, y'all. I'm finna wash all these out and clean them. Get all this off. I don't want none of this on here. I'm going to take this off. Pause that one. All right, y'all. I'm going to show y'all my Christmas gift. I'm going to take it out the box. Oh, let's see. We about to use this thing. It is a massager, foot massager. Y'all see? Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm gonna love it. Oh my God. That part right there, y'all. Oh my goodness. What am I do, Lord? Oh, it's just grabbing it. It's grabbing it. Baby. You gotta try it, babe. Oh, you talking about when you get off work, babe, with them damn, them darn, let me stop cursing, boo, gonna go off. Them darn steel toe boots on all day. Yeah, we finna pick this up. And let him put your feet in there. Put it up in there. Alright, yeah. Y'all see it? Do y'all see that? It's just squeezing your ankle. And they reverse it. Sit back and reverse it. And you work it. And you work it. I ain't gonna show you the worst parts of his feet. I'm just showing you the best part.